Hello guys, welcome to Nairobi. Let me take you on a short tour. Today is on a Sunday. You find lots of street photographers here. This there is the Nairobi Governor's Office, right next to KICC.
Let's take a picture.
This here, hidden in the trees, is the Holy Family Basilica, or it's a church, Catholic church in Nairobi, built in the, I think it's about 50-something years old if I'm not wrong. And you can come here for worship on Sundays. You also find people relaxing with families. You'll find street photographers if you want to take photos of the beautiful Nairobi city. You can also come and get a photo shoot here.
Yes. Oh, inaniona? At the same time?
Yes.
Yes, we are street photographers, manze. So piga ma photo shoot kwa streets, manze.
That's nice.
Over here. Yes.
What's your name?
My name is acha tu niseme tu our handle.
Oh, your handle on Instagram?
Yes.
Okay.
Bawazi_hustle.
Yeah, if you want photo shoot, you just come here, City Hallway, City Sakaja.
Yeah, man.
Only on Sundays, or you have a studio outside?
Each and every day.
Oh, you here every day?
Monday to Monday.
And how much do you charge?
Never take rest, manze. Yeah. You know the hustle got to continue.
Must continue.
Yeah, man.
That's true.
Yeah,
So how much do you charge? 100 per photo.
Yeah.
And they are right next to the Holy Family Basilica here. Just right opposite, you'll find them here.
Thank you so much.
Okay, thank you too. They do photo shoots in Nairobi. If you want a photo shoot on Sundays, if you want maybe for your birthday, you can check them out on their Instagram, but you can come and find them here on Sundays. The streets are pretty clean, and also if you're looking for some place to eat, we have beautiful hotels over here. The Garden Square Ashaki, I believe they do have a nice grill, and just come and have fun in Nairobi on Sundays. So let me just take you around. Actual building over there, the yellow one, that's Nyayo House. You can find this is the entrance to the Holy Family Basilica. You can come here for service. Hello.
We are your fan.
What's my name?
What's your name at your YouTube? Mariam.
Yeah.
Okay.
What's your name?
You can call us Masood Photography.
Masood.
Yes.
Who is Masood? Oh, it's a group.
It's a group. Name,
Oh,
yes.
so you do photo shoots?
Yeah?
You do photo shoots here?
Yes, we do photo shoots.
Oh.
Yes. So this is where we take photo shoots.
Along
Yes.
this city hall.
KCC.
Yeah. So on this side you'll find mostly government buildings, you'll find offices. What else will you find here? It's mostly offices, mostly corporate offices. And right here on the corner we have the Kenyan Parliament. This is where you'll find this is where the laws are made. You'll also find the Senate here. So this parliament was built in, I think 1950 something, if I'm not lying to you. And it was actually designed by a British architect, and actually it resembles a certain building in the UK. So you can see the similarities in some of the architecture here in Nairobi, working for the government workers. You see, today is Sunday, that's why the building is pretty deserted. Let me cross the road quickly. The Senate and the Parliament of Kenya. This is the Senate building, and that's the Parliament building, and those are corporate offices over there. So the streets are pretty well manicured, pretty clean, and people just going on with their businesses as usual. It's not crowded as it's on a weekend. It's on Sundays, so on a weekday you'd expect the parkings are full, the streets are full. But normally this side of the street is pretty quiet, even on weekdays. You know, they're just corporate offices. There's not much hustle and bustle like downtown Nairobi. So let's just keep walking and I'll show you more. So this is the Nairobi Expressway. This will take you to the airport if you don't want the hassle of the traffic. Then on that side over there, there's a park known as Luna Park. Over there, there's another one, Uhuru Park, but those are closed right now. So I don't know why they are still closed, but they were closed for renovations. And this was the traffic looks like on Sunday. This is the Nairobi Gallery. You can also come here and learn some history about Kenya and check out some artifacts from this building. I saw police there and I stopped filming. So this is the building. The entrance is actually on the other side. It's a pretty old building. It says here that it was constructed in 1913. That's pretty old. It's actually open. The entrance is on the other side, the side I'm heading to. So this is the name of the gallery if you want to come and visit. Nairobi Gallery. You'll find African heritage collections and more of Murumbi artifacts like the ones that are found in the Kenya archives. This is more part of Nairobi, more of the expressway. And as you can see, there are not many people as it's a weekend, but there are people just coming in, and going about their businesses in Nairobi. So this is what Nairobi uptown looks like. If you ever wondered, if you never had a clue, this is what you can expect from Nairobi uptown. The entrance to the gallery is over there. There you can see the guards. This here is the oldest poster in Kenya. Right next to it you'll find the Huduma Center. You can come and collect your IDs, get government services. And these are the public transport. That's one of the public transports you can expect to find in Nairobi. You see more with graffiti. They will all depend on the route you're heading to. Some are pretty old, like this one, but they serve their purpose, you know. Then this here is another old building in Kenya. This is known as the, how do you call it? Kipande House. Can you believe that this was once the tallest building in Nairobi? Yeah. It was actually designed by a Pakistani architect. It was actually one of the tallest, and you see right now it's pretty small but it holds the, you know, the ancient architecture. Looks nice. Right now there's a bank there. As we walk, you can see there are some jacaranda trees making the city beautiful. We have the I&M bank there. This is the Huduma Center over here. This is where you can come and get government services. These small buses here, these are what we call matatus. and they head to different routes in Kenya. So wherever you're going, make sure you board the right one. You can see the buildings in Nairobi and what the mood looks like on Sundays. It's pretty chill, just people relaxing with families. Most of the businesses are closed, but like the eateries, you will find they are open. The Pizza Inn, the Chicken Inn, you know, fast food, they are open, and some few businesses here. You also find some artists performing in Nairobi, like those ones over there, entertaining people. There's actually a street fashion that happens along this street. I'm not sure which movement it is. I don't know if it's that they're just setting up or those are just some youth getting ready for maybe entertainment. I don't know. But mostly you'll find lots and lots of street photographers. So if you want a photography in Nairobi, you can clap. And these are some of the electric buses we have in Nairobi. Some people making TikToks on that other side. And over there, there's a Bank of India. This is actually a very old bank in Kenya. There's a large Indian population, so it was brought to cater for that population. Just people relaxing. And this is another one of the old buildings in Nairobi. I actually don't know the name, and there's some statue here. It's a memorial for these guys over there. These are some of the warriors that fought during the colonial period. And this was when we even have subway here over there on that other side. This is the Jamia Mosque. Another pretty old building in Nairobi. This was actually founded in, I think, the early 1920s. You're not allowed to enter inside, but I think if you're Muslim, you can go in and pray, but make sure you're dressed appropriately. It's pretty huge, and the architecture is mostly Arabic Islamic. So I don't think if you're not Muslim, you're allowed to go in, but if you're Muslim, you can go in. There's actually a library in there. If you want to do some history about Islam in Kenya, you can go there and worship. And this here is one famous restaurant if you're in Kenya. You can come and try African dishes here. It's called the Kilimanjaro Hotel. They have some nice cuisines you can try. So right near the Jamia Mosque, a few meters from the entrance. And I think far ahead you'll find the city market. Actually is on that other side of the road. Let's cross over. You can buy souvenirs, you can buy African arts, you know, like the things we saw in Masai Market. You can also find them here. I'm not sure if they're open today, but they're normally open weekdays. So if you don't want to go to the Masai Market that is only open on Saturday and Sunday, you can come here throughout the week and buy your goods. Let's go and check if it's actually open. Let's see if we can find anything there. It's called the Nairobi County Market or the City Market. I think it's closed. I don't think it's open. So this is another side of Nairobi. Yeah. I think it's actually closed. It looks pretty dark in there. It wouldn't be good for filming. So let's just go back. These are shoe cleaning stands. They are closed on the weekends, but On weekdays, you can actually get your shoes cleaned over there. You'll find most of those stands all over Nairobi, and I think they only charge 30 shillings. That's like 30 cents or something. So these are the view of Nairobi. More jacaranda trees. These are the Nairobi City Hall buildings. Is where the Nairobi County government operates from. I think if you want a yellow fever vaccine, you can come here, but I'm not sure about that. But basically, that's where the Nairobi County government operates from. This mall, it's also part of the city. We have the KFC over there. We also have insurance. You see, the vibe on this side of the city, it's very chill. Corporate businesses, that is what I mean to say. So this is where we started the tour. That's the Supreme Court, that's KCC, and Times Towers behind. So we basically walked around that way and up, and we are back where we started, and the Maasai market is right over there. So let me just show you one more street where you can find street art. This is what you will call the Nairobi Square. You find lots of skaters, people chilling.